Hey, let me show you how you can turn on that feature that will allows you to automatically turn on the silent mode on your Google Pixel 10 Pro when you are reaching some specific location, like for example, church. So what we have to do is just to open the settings. Now we have to scroll down and go for system settings. Then we have to scroll for rules. And now I'm gonna delete this one just to show you step by step. So I will highly recommend you to turn on this one. Always allow location for rules and click to add rule. Now select to set device to silent or vibrate or to turn on the do not disturb mode. Then select add Wi-Fi network or location. Select location and now input your address. Like let's get this one for example, the random one, Walmart Supercenter. You can also set radius like so. Well, let's get the small one, click confirm, now click add. And right now, when you reach that specific location, your Google Pixel 10 Pro will go to the silent mode automatically, which is pretty useful. And you will get this notification that will be sent into your phone to get some confirmation. And that's all. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.